Hi, my dear friends. Look at the sentence. What's wrong with it? There's a mistake in this sentence. Try to don't make a mistake. The meaning is understandable, but the problem is to don't. We never say to don't in English. So, do you know where this problem comes from? There are some verbs in English like prefer, try, decide, and many more. After these verbs, if you have another verb, we use to. Prefer to go, decide to stay, try to do. So far, so good. But if the second verb is negative, you don't want to do that. The negative form is never to don't or to didn't. The negative form is not to. So, I try to go. I try not to go. To don't is not correct. I decided yesterday, I decided to stay. I decided not to stay. I decided to didn't stay is not correct. Listen to these examples. I'm going to give you two sentences in a pair with the same meaning. We prefer to go out. We prefer not to stay home. So prefer to go, prefer not to stay. They have the same meaning. She tried to join the meeting. She tried not to miss the meeting. Tried last week. Tried to join, tried not to miss. I decided to go home. I decided not to go shopping. Okay, now you answer this one. I give you the first one, the first sentence. You give me the second one. I decided to wake up early. Now you wake up late. I decided not to. I decided to wake up early. I decided not to wake up late. So to, not to. To don't is wrong. Sometimes some students ask, what if we say to not? For example, I try to not go. This is understandable, but it's not natural. The natural form is not to. Try to go, try not to go. Decide to stay, decide not to stay. This is the first part. Now the second part. Again, look at the sentence. It's a conversation between a husband and a wife. Husband, give me my phone, please. Wife, I don't know. Where is it? It means I don't know where your phone is. So I don't know where is it. There's nothing wrong with this sentence. It's clear. You can understand it. But there is a very common mistake. The mistake in this sentence is very common. Many students make this mistake when they are speaking. So when you want to answer the questions or multiple choice questions, you know how to answer. But in your speaking, you make this mistake. Listen, the problem is, where is it? The correct form is where it is. I don't know where it is. So if you are asking a question, we say is it. Is before it. But this sentence is not a question. I don't know where it is. You don't need to say is it because you are not asking a question. If you are asking a question, yes, we can say where is it? Where is it? So where is it? I don't know where it is. This is the correct form. All right? Where is it? Do you know where it is? Compare these two pairs. The first one is a question, direct question. But the second sentence is not a question or is indirect. So where is it? Do you know where it is? So when you say do you know, here you asked the question. So you don't need to ask another question. Do you know? It's the question. Where it is, not where is it. Example, who are you? It's a direct question. Who are you? Now, may I know who you are? May I know is the question, the first sentence. So the second sentence shouldn't be in the form of a question. So who are you? May I know who you are? Another one. Uh, what's that? It's a question. I don't know what that is. What's that? What is that? I don't know what that is, because it's not a question. So if you ask a direct question, where is it? No problem. Where is it? Who are you? What time is it? You don't have a problem with that. But when you use something before that question, do you know? May I know? I don't know. If you use sentences like these in the first part, the second part is not in the form of a question. And is, was, are, where is in the end of the sentence. So I don't know where something is or was. Is, was, is in the end of the sentence. Do you know what is, are, was, where? So sometimes you feel it's wrong when you put is in the end of the sentence. I don't know what his name is. It's weird, but no, don't worry. It's all correct, no problem. Now compare these sentences. Where's my phone? It's a direct question. Do you know where my phone is? It's an indirect question. Do you know is the main question. So do you know where my phone is? You don't need to say where is my phone. You don't need to ask two questions. I don't know where your phone is, and this one is not even a question. I don't know where your phone is. What was his name? Question. I can't remember what his name was. It's not a question. Was in the end. I can't remember what his name was. Do you know what his name was? Do you know is the question. So the second part, you don't need to change it to a question form. You don't need to say, do you know what was his name? No. Do you know what his name was? How old are you? Direct question. May I know how old you are? Indirect question. Now you answer this one. A, how can I help you? B, do you know? B is looking for an address. He has an address and he's looking for that address. So he says, excuse me, do you know where is this address, or where? Yeah, you said it. Do you know where this address is? Because do you know is the question. So the second part is not a question. Excuse me, do you know where this address is? Do you know where the bank is? Do you know where the hospital is? This is how you ask it. Number 3, try to find the mistake. This t-shirt is beautiful, but a bit tight. It's beautiful, but it's tight. I'd rather to exchange it. You go shopping, you try a t-shirt, and this happens. You like it, but it's tight. So I'd rather to exchange it. What's the problem? What's wrong with this sentence? The problem is to. After I'd rather, we never use to. Do you know why students make this mistake? Because I'd rather, would rather means prefer. The meaning is the same. So after prefer, we use to, but after would rather, we never use to. And that's why students make this mistake, because they think would rather is the same as prefer. The meaning is, but the grammar, no, it's different. So I prefer to go, I'd rather go. Okay? Examples. I'd rather exchange it, or I prefer to exchange it. Do you see the difference? He'd rather stay home. He prefers to stay home. So after I'd rather, he'd rather, you'd rather, simple verb. We don't use to. Now you answer this one. I do that. A, prefer to don't. Is it correct? Look at the choices A, B, C, D. Which one do you think is the correct answer? I do that. So let's check them one by one. A, I prefer to don't. In the first part of the video, I told you to don't is wrong. We never say to don't in English. So A is not correct. B, I prefer not do that. Again, It's not correct because after prefer we use to. So I prefer not to do that. C, I'd rather not do that. This is the correct answer. And D, I'd rather not to. The problem is to. After I'd rather, we don't use to. So the correct answer is I'd rather. So there are two forms. I'd rather not do that, or I prefer not to do that. These sentences have the same meaning. And the last one, look. A, what do you do in your free time? B, I watch movie. What's wrong with it? You can understand the meaning. It seems there's nothing wrong with the sentence. But in the second sentence, I watch movie, there is something wrong. I watch a movie or I watch movies. I watch movie is not natural. Okay, if you say I watch a movie, people understand you, but it's not natural. The problem is when you have a countable noun. You can count them. 1 movie, 2 movies, 3 movies, cars, apartments, chairs. Countable nouns in a sentence are singular or plural. If you are talking about one, we use a or an. If you're talking about more than one, we use s. We use the plural form. So you can either say, I watch a movie, correct. Or I watch movies, correct. I watch movie is not correct, is not natural. Example, I live in apartment. Apartment is countable. So I live in an apartment. Or many people live in apartments. So when you have a countable noun in a sentence, there are two options. If it is one, use a or an. If it is more than one, use s in the end. That's it. Okay? Example, an electric car is better than a gas car. No problem. Electric cars, all of them, are better than gas cars. No problem. Electric car is better than gas car. Incorrect. Are you talking about one or more than one? It's not clear in the sentence, so make it clear. Okay? Now, there are 4 more questions here for you to challenge what you learned. Question number 1. I asked, make noise. Which choice, A, B, C, D? I asked him. So, think about it. Oh, could you answer? I asked him. The correct answer is C, not to. So, A, to don't, we don't have it in English. B, to didn't, we don't have it in English. C, not to is correct. To not is not natural. So the best answer is not to. So ask is the same as prefer, the same as decide, the same as try. After that, we use to or not to. I asked him to be quiet. I asked him not to make noise. Question number 2. Man, you look lost. Boy, it's a conversation between a man and a boy. You look lost. It means it seems that you are lost. Are you looking for your directions? Are you lost? Boy, yeah, I don't know. Okay, which one is the answer? Now you can answer. I don't know where the exit is. B. So because it's not a question, you don't need to say, I don't know where is the exit. Where is the exit? It's a question. But he's not asking a question. So I don't know where the exit is. You know, now you can answer this question. But when you are speaking, again, we keep making this mistake. It's a very common mistake. Be very careful. When you're speaking, you don't need to say it fast. Wait a minute. Wait for a second, a couple of seconds. Think about it and decide which form is correct. Okay. Number 3. I'd rather about it now. A, B, C, D. Which one? Okay. So let's check the options one by one. A, I'd rather not to talk. The problem is to. After would rather, I'd rather, we don't use to. B, I'd rather not talk about it now. This is the correct answer. C, to don't doesn't exist in English. And I'd rather don't talk, no, I'd rather not talk. So after would rather, you use simple verb, I'd rather talk. If it is negative, we use not. I'd rather talk, I'd rather not talk. I'd rather go, I'd rather not go. This is the negative form. And the last one, number 4, I decided book in my free time. Which one? I decided. Okay, let's check that. You keep thinking you can answer this one. It's a good challenge. So A, I decided not to read a book in my free time. This is the correct answer. B, I decided to don't. To don't is wrong, is not correct. C, I decided to not. We usually say not to. To not is not natural. And D, to not read. You use to because you have to decide you need to. So the best answer is A. I decided not to read a book in my free time. So these were some common mistakes that most students have. A1, A2 level students have in their speaking. But from now on, you know, when you're speaking, when you reach one of these words, stop, wait, think for a couple of seconds, and then say it. Because if you don't think about it, and if you say it faster, you will probably make a mistake. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care and see you soon.